Okay, now we want to do the outside mirror, but we don't want to use the wet cloth that we've been using for the inside, because we want to use a dry cloth to clean a mirror. You can't clean a dry mirror with a wet cloth. Okay, so back to the dry cloth. Let's just finish off this job and we'll be done with all the mirrors. So you just want to squirt it fairly lightly because this mirror is pretty small. And again, you might have noticed I used the same technique with a mirror. It's the only time when I break that rule of top to bottom. With a mirror, you go bottom to top so that it doesn't come down and seep into the cracks at the bottom of your mirror. It just makes sense to me to do it that way. So there you go, nice and clean. The inside's lovely and clean, all disinfected. The mirrors are shiny. Now we're going to take care of the shelves in our mirror and putting everything else back in.